Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki of Balloon by nikicharmz, and today I'm showing you how to make mini clusters using 11-inch balloons instead of 5 inches. I know it's not easy always finding 5-inch balloons, so here's how to make them. To create this look, I prefer a manual pump, so you want to blow it up maybe 2 pumps and make sure that the balloon is still squishy. Then tie off the balloon and repeat. You should have 2 balloons. Then you want to squeeze it in the middle and twist the balloon and wrap the neck around in between to give it the illusion like it's 2 balloons. And then you just want to repeat the same process. Once you have 2 sets of dupes, you intertwine like you would do a regular cluster. And I'm just repeating the process. And once you're done, you just take your 260Q balloon and tie it into the cluster. I hope this video was very informative. And if it was, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment, and share. So until next time, be blessed, guys. Mwah.